So this is how you're going to use any TikTok sound as your ringtone. So let's say you want to use this song right here as your ringtone. This song. What you need to do first is you need to download the song right here. So you go to this site and you save the song. In this case, I've already saved the song. So let's go to our gallery and then we're going to see the song right here. So you can see that's the same song we have here. So what you do next is you're going to download Garage Ringtones, this app right here, the first one right here. You download this app right here. And then also you should make sure you have this app right here on your phone, which mostly comes with every iPhone, most iPhones, I should say. So after you download Garage Ringtones, you open the app and then you're going to tap on this one right here, limited version. And then you tap on this plus sign right here. And then you come here and then you make sure you pick the video, this video right here. And then make sure you adjust it to where you want. After you are done, you just tap on set as ringtone right here and it's going to start doing the magic for you. And what you need to do next when you tap on set as ringtone right here is you make sure you locate this GarageBand right here and then you share it to it. So in case you don't find GarageBand, you tap on this section right here and then you scroll down, you're probably finding it in your apps and then you tap on it and then you are going to see your project right here. So what you are going to do next is you're going to press hold on it and then you tap on share. And then you're going to tap on ringtone and then you type in what you feel you want it to be. So in this case, the name of the song is Lonely at the top. And then I tap on export and I tap on it like this and it's going to export it as a ringtone like this for me. So after it's done exporting as your ringtone, I tap on it to use as ringtone and I tap on it to set as ringtone and it's done. I'm going to go to my sounds and haptics in my settings and I'm just going to find this one right here. I tap on it and then I tap on ringtone and you're going to find it right here. Like and follow and share with your friends. Peace.